Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox encountered an unexpected error. So basically, if you encounter this one, that there's something wrong with the memory integrity of your window. So in order for you to fix this, you have to turn off. Now, in order to see that, you have to go to the start menu and then look for core isolation. In the core isolation, you should see this memory integrity, and all you need to do is to turn this one off. Now, Windows security feature, this memory integrity helps protect your system from malicious attacks by preventing an unauthorized code from running in high security process. So, why Roblox fails when memory integrity is on? Roblox uses certain drivers and background components like anti-cheat system or graphics modules that must run close to the system's core. When memory's integrity is enabled, Windows blocks some of these older or unassigned drivers because they don't meet strict security. So in order for you to fix that, you have to turn off memory integrity because it helps you removes those restrictions temporarily. Roblox older unassigned drivers can then load properly and the game starts normally again without the unexpected error. So memory integrity is a secure feature, so turning it off reduces protection slightly. And then that's it. So thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.